What's up guys, Mario and Jerome here from the Bonsai Supply, and today we have some great news to share with you all. We are now selling our bonsai soil on HomeDepot.com. So we truly believe that this community has been a large part of the process, and we think it is a shared success.
So thank you for following our journey and for your great support. Education has always been one of our main goals, and soil is such a big part of the development of the tree that we think it's important to share the right soil to develop healthy and strong trees. So let us explain why our soil works.
Alright, so next we're going to do a soil test, and we're going to compare our all-purpose bonsai soil mixture against a regular black potting mix. And we are going to test them both for water draining capabilities. So let's go ahead and water the regular black potting soil. Now you see as I water it, the water pools on top of the soil and then slowly goes all the way down into the pot. And now over here, our all-purpose bonsai soil mixture, you see how it goes ahead and drains right away? And it drains a lot. This is exactly what you want. So this soil drains the water right away, where this soil over here, first it pools on top and then it doesn't evenly drain, which means that your roots will not get water evenly as well. And so this soil will compact too much over time and it will not give your tree enough oxygen as that it needs. Our soil is made out of 4 aggregates, and each one of those naturally occurring soil components has a particular job. Lava rock is most commonly known for its exceptional draining characteristics, which makes it one of the cornerstones for nearly every bonsai mix. Pumice has over 70 different traces of vitamins and minerals, which are vital for developing a healthy and strong root system. Calcined clay is a baked clay that does a great job at holding water so that your bonsai won't dry out throughout the day, and also adds acidity to your soil, which plants absolutely love. Pine bark fines does a great job at absorbing nutrients and then slowly releases them back to the tree as needed, which means that your tree can actually absorb the fertilizer at its own pace, and you will no longer lose your bonsai fertilizer to the floor or surrounding vegetation. In summary, why should you use our bonsai soil?
Because it's a free draining bonsai soil with over 70 natural minerals, nutrient uptake, natural acidifier, prevents root rot, no more overwatering, no more weeds, and is made in the USA. COVID was a challenging time, but it also brought us redirection and a stronger purpose. We decided to focus on our online outlets so we can reach more of you. Being in the stores in Home Depot across the US is our next goal and dream, and we hope you continue to take this journey with us.
Yes, so if you love our bonsai soil, please order a bag on HomeDepot.com and leave us a nice review. And if you have not tried our soil yet, that's okay. Please give us a chance.
And if you can buy a bag right now, that's okay too. Please share this video, tell your friends, and let's grow together. And hopefully you'll see one of these bags in your nearest Home Depot very soon.
Yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and we will catch you guys next time.